heart disease can differ between men and women. In one way, women do have heart disease usually later in life, later. Maybe in their 50s or 60s. Men may start developing heart disease in their 40s. It may present that way. So after menopause, the risk of heart disease in women increases substantially. Another difference, though, with women may present differently. They may come to my office and say, I have this burning pain or something vague, not the typical classic pain that we learn in medical school, the pressure, the squeezing pain, and that's more typical in men. But in women, it could be this vague burning or very nondescript pain. It could even be in the neck, the jaw. It could be very nondescript.